Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega ndeto makiria ciegie Kimani Mbugua ni ciakorwo ikirekererio ni ithe wa Kimani na Oga Obina. Muthenya wa ira turakorirwo tugishare details ciegie Obina guciara mucii gwa Kimani Mbugua na make sure Kimani macemania na baba wake hamwe na his mom and also family members age. Obina akiuga muthenya wa umuthi ni mahota gutwara Kimani Mbugua thibitari Mathare Hospital guku Nairobi. Some Kenyans ni makwanjitie kuria ciuria makiuria niki Kimani aratwarwo guku Mathare and not any other medical facility area rakideal na mirimu ino ya meciria. A concern yonekana gukorwo ni kinyire matuini ma Obina and Kimani's dad, na Kimani's dad has taken his time to explain gitumi kia gukorwo magitwara Kimani guku Mathare Hospital, akiuga mawatho ma thirikari mathanite ati all prescriptions lazima zifanywe na a government hospital before patient akorwo agitwaro in any rehab center guku bururi-ini. Koguo Kimani's dad akorwo agishare the prescription Kimani Mbugua heo, na the next move akiuga ni gutwara Kimani in a rehab center niguo akorwo akideal na all his addictions. Kimani had also had a chat kana nitwamwona makiaraniria na Obina and he was jovial kama kawaida, na kuria akorwo agishare also his passion egi maundu maya ma social media kana mohoro makiri on social media kuria magikorwo makiagree na Obina akorwo agitikira guthie through all medical attention kana ahone, na Obina agikorwo akimwira ati after athie through medical attention na ahona he will give him a chance in his team ya Oga Obina. Kuona mundu gwitwo Kimani Mbugua was fascinated no uria Obina arakihandle himself na all these channels aragikorwo agitwarithia na mbere guku social media. Obina and dad wa Kimani have also shared that the journey to recovery ya Kimani will take 1 year and it to be an expensive one. To the 1 month admission ya Kimani will cost the family at least 40,000 Kenya shillings. No magikorwo makiuga ati Akenya ni merutĩire muno na koguo ni marona thabari iyo ikihotekeka ma make sure ati ni ma Kimani ni agikorwo akihona na ni agikorwo receive all the medical attention arakenid before ashokete muingi-ini na ashokete gwika maria aragika. Oga Obina makere na Kimani Mbugua magikorwo makiagree awache kwenda hizi live za TikTok. Ni ndeto nditagutenderithia makiria nituguthie na mbere na gufollow up more updates. Mundu gwitwo Obina agikihoya kuri Kenyans mathie na mbere na kuma support niguo ku make sure Kimani ari sawa.